Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Welcome back to the FX Vision channel. Tell me, everyone, how was it going? And I hope you must be doing very well, and you must be enjoying your lives, and you must have booked the huge amount of profit, because I had already told in my previous video that the gold is going to touch 2570, and it did this week. The previous video of 19th August 2024, in which I have already told that the gold can touch 2570. You can watch my video. That was a weekly forecast of August 19th August to 23rd August. You can watch my video that. So tell me, how is your lives going? So this is the gold US dollar weekly forex forecast for the week starting from tomorrow, that is 16th of September 2024, and the week ends on 28th September 2024. So this week is so much important for me, and there is a lot of rumors out there, and regarding the gold, and like of all of those rumors, if you see, gold has completed till now so far, plus why this week is going to be super beneficial and important for all types of traders, and the upcoming week can be very volatile and dangerous for those traders who don't understand the market nicely, right, my friends? So the upcoming week is considered to be highly volatile week, and the last week it was very volatile week as well. Right here on the chart, let me show you. If you see, as per my previous plans, there were bull from 2471 two times. We have purchased from right here long term. The decision was, and right here near 2550 I closed that. All of those deals, those who took buying from right here, right, and obviously there were some traders who took benefit from this range and this sell, everything I have discussed in my previous videos. All of them were so much educational, my dear friends. Make sure you check them out. And now if you see, obviously 2550 I was considering to get a sort of a sell pattern. Right now, most of you know that when there is no pattern, I personally don't trade. But right here, since there is 2550 was a zone, and it was in my list that I will try to sell some from the market. But anyways, the goal obviously is, seems like it's 25, 69 and 67 was my zone. You can again check my previous videos, and I can clearly mention that those who are purchasing, like even if I've told you right here 2470, when those who miss this opportunity, when I said this is a buying zone and close these sales decision. But anyways, now that's next. Actually, most of the coming on to the fresh chart, at this present movement, most of the traders are holding sell positions. Right, most of the traders are holding sell positions. Why? I also want to tell you that why most of the successful traders are holding sell positions, and their completion was approximately near 2550 to 2570, which I have already told in my previous video. Last week I found this number as well, and 2567 most probably. But the market closed right here, so let's say right here 2580. The market overall went to 81. So right, if you see, obviously the deals are closed right here, and nothing we have got, just nothing. And I was clearly observing this market on the lower time frames. This one I will be showing you that on the lower time frames it was like completely since right here when I discussed in the previous video is that there is like this pattern formed, if you see, followed by a very fantastic support right here, and see exactly from the same support this impulsive like all the way started. So what the market did after that is right here, just have a close look at it. We have this tiny zone, and even the market took a retest of this particular zone, and this was a breakout retest type of trade near 2432 in almost like August. This previous August we traded at this buy, right? So this sell, yes, it stopped me out on this particular sell. Then the market continued back up. What it did is it took a third support all the way from the particular zone. Now pay close attention, because these are very much important educational stuff, my friends, and I will be explaining it right now. Just stay with me. So what it did right here is, let me show you. If we see, just have a look at it right here. The market created a very fantastic support and the impulsive leg. Now if I don't say that sell from here, not this sell was completely wrong, because we have nothing on the left side of the market, right? If we have nothing to the left side of the market, we don't, or we cannot trade it on this specific time frame H4. We could not trade it, so obviously the market came down right here. Then now do like just have a look at the left side of the market. What the left side of the market is showing to us, there is a previous structure almost present. So whenever there is a previous structure present just like it, and the market came down, it continued to the top side of the market. So this one, and very fantastic one, and this cell, then even if we see this cell was not valid, and this cell was a perfect valid stuff, because at the left side we have a structure. And see, the market again dropped, and this was my actual selling zone 2420, and I was stopped out of this one right here. And the market continued in such a way that it didn't give me a chance to enter into a buy zone. So most of you will remember, then I analyzed it, and we found out like right here this buying zone 2434, and on the basis of that, all of this breakout retest, see breakout retest of the previous zone, we have followed this particular area. Now coming on to what the last week it was showing me. Last week this was the situation on the edge, was since almost I was looking for these breakout, retest, breakout, and then retest, again a retest, and a range. This is what I call a range. See, range. And obviously when there is a range, it should either break to the bottom side of the market or to the top side of the market. So right here that was happening is, let me also show you that on the H1. When the market, let's have a look at it now. ABCD studies come right here. Just have a look at it on H1. We have got this thing followed by an ABCD pattern. Just have a look at it on our favorite Fibo. It was 61 and right here. So obviously if this is a point for me, just see, it became a point in and it becomes 61.8 retracement, stop loss right here. Take profit upon the completion. So obviously that happened near 2540, and last week I discussed 2540. So successfully the market did it, and I am super happy about it. So now when I was looking for this particular zone for a sell, but what was happening is we have got a clear break of structure last week. So I spotted this, but at that moment I couldn't dare to take a buy because we were already holding some of the buys from the partial positions of the buyers from lower time frames. That is 2470. Target was 2550. So right here, further buying decisions I couldn't, and the sell obviously failed. 1 2 3 in 3 hours I got it, and since then it just went up and up and closed above even and 2570 as well on the H1. Now further, if I show you specifically on the Thursday and Friday, these 2 days, let me add period. There was very special thing going on Friday and Thursday. This when market closes above this particular zone, at that point this was my breakout point. I said, now my friend, it's now not going to stop unless it touch 2570, which was almost our level. Technically right there you see sellers appeared right here, but got failed, right? So I booked some losses on this one as well. Now around 140 or 180 pips I lost on this, but it's okay. When a trade gives me profit, it gives me profit for 100 pips, but when it takes back, it's no. So I think it's okay. I am happy, and I should be, as a trader, happy because this much pip is okay to give back to the market. So this specific breakout on the H1 once happened, I started look at the M15, that is 15 minutes, okay, after all what's going on, and the market was barely giving any sort of retracement, so the bulls can take some buying decisions. This at this place I was expecting this, but obviously the market all of the time doesn't listen to me. So it did not came right here. Now this present story, I have also told you that it just keep going on and on and on, and there is no specific level for me. So don't worry, my friends. I have spent lot of time on the market, and today you are going to learn a new concept. And what is that? I didn't expected this much sooner. I will be able to discuss this particular plan with all of you, and this concept I will be giving to you. So let's have a look at it, and it will just open your eyes. Oh, this also can happen. Yes, my friend, this also can happen. It is not fair enough, right? It's not, again I'm telling you, this is not fair enough, but I'm explaining it why it is happened. If this really occurred, there must be something why it occurred. The first reason is obviously this, like oh, in the start of the session I have told you that we have interest rate federal rate of federal fund, a very, and when on the Wednesday, right? Wednesday. So this is why this market is going to be highly volatile this week. It will be highly volatile, but let's see what it does right here. News seems to be 0.5%. This is rumors, and that 0.5% of the BPS. this is their calculation methodology, BPS. They count. So according to the rumors, there are rumors spreading around in the Forex groups that at that 0.5% rate cut is expected here. But according to the Forex factory, they are cutting 0.25% rates. So this is also good for the dollar. It is extremely good for the dollar. So obviously it will put the gold down. But what I was saying is start some of the topic and then I go somewhere else. But anyways, yes, so I was saying this is not fair. What happened is not fair. See, the market all the way was finding very nicely, and even nicely right here till. But if I tell you there was a probability that the market can give us some sort of, let me delete these, is Fibonacci. The market could give us some sort of this intraday zone, so I am deleting it, and now I'm again switching to the whole plan to the daily time frame, moving it back to its own place, followed by this, and obviously followed by this. This 2543 and 2550 was the zone. Reversal area. Reversal area, my friends. So market actually was supposed to be taking another retracement, and that retracement was going to occur. Just pay close attention. That retracement was going to occur from right here towards this 61.8% retracement, and then the setup would look something like this. See, just have a look at it. Just look at it, my friends. Let's change the color. See how many confirmations the market gave. So this time they did not give this confirmation and they took the market back up. So let's assume, and they have now in their mind that as per this particular plan, the market was supposed to be taking a bounce off from 61.8% retracement, but it took a bounce from right here. So as per the previous plan, the next level comes out to be 2603. And if we count it from right here, then the next level comes to 2647. So this is the long term, and it can happen in the upcoming week because we have a fundamental activity. Right now, let's move again into this. See, this was the breakout point, right? Some sell, and this was, anyways, let's delete everything. Indicator list, object list. The mark. There was on the H4 I discussed, and even the market no doubt completed it. For so those who were like completed near 2570. This plan I gave it must be maybe somewhere right here. I definitely discussed it. Oh, this was one another plan. Okay, 2568, just see 2470 as a buy, and then I obviously told if it break then it is going to happen. If it go up, it drops. This was a very fantastic trade opportunity as well, and right here I said if it continues straight up then a buy right here. That did not happen. So yes, this particular trade we didn't get it. The market did what I was expecting, but it did not, like, you know. Alright, I got it. So this now is completely possible that the market do this in instead 2530 once again in the upcoming week before the interest rate. If it give us that, then see this trade plan we had in mind. So now I have to see whether I get this bullish intraday weekly setup right here near 2530, and if not, then this will be the case. Okay, this either it will continue down like this, we will give a retracement back, and then I obviously will target this 2420. See how magical this is. This thing is. So this was one another plan. Let's see if we get 2530 in the upcoming week. It can be fantastic buying opportunity for weekly basis, obviously, right? So I hope you will understand it and you will like this plan. Make sure I need a lot of likes on this particular video. uh, So, my friends, it's a request for you all to do please like and subscribe my channel and like my videos. And as I have told you in the starting of the videos, I have already given the indication that the gold can travel to 2570, and it has done that. Now the indication which I have given is 25. It's 2603 to 26 10. But let's wait and watch whether this happens or not. Please like and subscribe the channel. Please like and subscribe my channel, like my videos, and if you have any queries, please write down in the comment section. I'll be handling with your queries also. Thanks a lot, my friend. Thank you very much. Do share my video to all the friends who want to start trading with the forex market. Thanks a lot, my friends. Thank you very much.